So we've been talking about some of the additional add-ons for the shadow awning, and one of them is the sidewall kit. The sidewall kit is a very convenient little adder room, if you want to call it that, where you can just it attaches to via Velcro all the way around the side of the awning, and it comes with a couple of extra poles that you attach to the awning, and then literally you're adding a room underneath your awning. So for example, here we've got the kaya. What it gives you the advantage of is that you can actually enter the kaya from a kind of controlled environment. The wind and the cold air is kept off you. Plus it's a private area to operate from, so you can get changed, or your kids can play in there, or whatever it might be. But you can set up camp, kind of keep yourself somewhat sheltered from the environment. It doesn't completely seal off, because you still can come it's still open under the vehicle, but it certainly offers a lot of buffering against the weather conditions. In the kit you're supplied with pegs that can be pegged all the way around, and then flexi ties, and the flexi ties are something like a flexible rubber cable tie. And the flexi tie you can feed through the loop and around the peg, so you can pull it in tight around the peg, so that's quite convenient. And then you attach to the vehicle on the side areas, wherever you can find a point that you can conveniently attach to. It's all in a bag. The bag is then marked with a little plan on how to set it up, and each side is numbered. There are windows all around with meji nets to just give you some airflow through it, so you're not completely sort of hemmed in with hot air. You can let the airflow come through and keep some of the bugs at bay at the same time. So why don't we go and have a look inside? You've got doors, entry door here, which has also got a meji net window in it, and then there's meji net windows all the way around, which just helps to keep some of the bugs out. But actually it's all about keeping the elements at bay, and at the same time offering a bit of privacy, so you can set up camp inside here, or jump into your camper from in, and you're not exposed to the elements quite so badly. So it is a super convenient way to just add a little bit more extra living area when conditions deteriorate and it's a bit cold and wet out there.